You know that feeling when you're trying to research a topic and you end up with a bunch of blog posts open, YouTube videos bookmarked, Reddit threads you told yourself you'd come back to, a PDF, and you still have no idea where to start? That's literally every research session for me, until I changed how I do this. Because what if you could take all of that messy, scattered research and turn it into a full video script, professional infographics, and a complete slide deck, all in one place? All from the same sources?
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
I create videos about AI tools, tech workflows, or any topic that requires deep research. You probably know this struggle. The information you need is scattered everywhere. Blog posts, YouTube videos, Reddit threads, academic papers, countless websites. And the painful part isn't finding the information anymore. The real challenge is what comes after. You still have to go through every source, pull out what's actually useful, connect the dots, organize everything, and turn it all into a script that makes sense for your audience. I used to spend more time managing research than actually writing content, and even after hours of collecting information, I'd sit down to write and feel like I was starting from zero. So today, I want to show you the tool that completely changed this workflow for me. The tool is called IvyCraft. If you've used NotebookLM before, think of it as something similar but with a much broader workflow, one that takes you all the way from research to actually creating finished content. Let's see how it works in practice. Instead of just talking about features, I'll show you a real workflow I'd use for my channel. We start by clicking New Project and naming it, since we're working on AI automation tools and AI workflow automation. That's our project name. Once entered, we confirm and save. This gives us a workspace where, on the left side, we can upload research material, PDFs, PowerPoint files, Word docs, Markdown files, plain text notes, YouTube links, website URLs, and other online resources for the AI to analyze. For this topic, one of the most useful options is deep research. The platform offers multiple modes, but since our goal is collecting information and turning it into video content, we'll start here. The platform already gives us some suggested actions to get started, but before using deep research, we'll first upload all of our source material. We go to the websites we're researching, copy the links, and paste them in. Once a link is pasted, it gets added to the workspace right away. We repeat this for every relevant source. Let's fast forward through the uploading. Now it's done. Several website links, a few YouTube videos, multiple Reddit discussions and threads, and 2 PDFs, all in one place, ready to analyze. Next is the prompt section. For example, research AI automation tools using the provided resources and generate several video ideas along with a complete video script. That's it. A simple, straightforward instruction. One thing I really like about IvyCraft is that it doesn't need complicated prompt engineering. Unlike some AI tools that require detailed prompting, IvyCraft understands context well, so a simple instruction is usually enough. Once it's done, IvyCraft has generated 6 video ideas based on the actual research, not generic suggestions. It even highlights its top pick, idea number 3, and explains why, based on the source material. Below that, it's generated a complete script, hook, intro, main content sections, and a structured flow you can start working with right away. That's a huge time saver since you're not starting from a blank page. One of my favorite features is the citation system. Key sections of the script are cited back to the original sources, so you can trace exactly where each piece of information came from and verify accuracy. It's a level of transparency a lot of AI writing tools simply don't offer. IvyCraft also isn't a one-time tool. Like NotebookLM, you can keep the conversation going, ask follow-ups, and dig deeper into any specific area. For example, if we want a YouTube short version, we just prompt, "Create a 60-second short video script based on this content." And it condenses everything into a complete 60-second script, plus multiple hook variations suited for short-form content. This is one of the reasons I find the platform so useful. It understands context very well and adapts the output to different formats without needing complex instructions. Now that research and script are ready, the next thing creators need is visuals. Good visuals boost retention, especially for technical topics. We head to the image section, where there are options like single images and cards. We'll pick card. Here, we customize the number of images, content density, output language, and image model. IvyCraft gives access to several top image models built right into the platform. We'll set 2K resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. For style, there are plenty of options, but we'll go with retro, which gives the graphics a distinctive look. For the prompt, create 4 horizontal infographics about AI automation tools using the provided research data. Since all our research material is already stored in the workspace, we simply select our uploaded resources and click Generate. IvyCraft analyzes the prompt and the data, pulls out the key concepts, and generates the visuals based on what we've provided. The results are clean, professional, and informative. Research-based infographics in a few clicks instead of building graphics manually from scratch. These work great in videos, presentations, social posts, or educational content. Quality-wise, these are genuinely impressive. Even zoomed to 200%, visuals stay sharp and clear, typography is well designed, and diagrams are easy to follow. Everything feels professionally organized. These kinds of visuals can significantly boost engagement for content creators, whether you're making YouTube videos, social media content, presentations, or educational material. Once you're happy with the results, you can download and export them directly to your computer. Next, slide generation. In the slides section, there are 2 options: presentation slides and reading slides. We'll pick presentation slides. We set our output language, slide density to medium for a good visual/information balance, leave model selection on auto, and adjust quality and aspect ratio for horizontal content. For style, let's try something different from before, hand-drawn, to see how it performs, since it can give presentations a more creative, unique look. Prompt: create a PowerPoint-style slide deck based on the research topic AI Workflow Automation Tools using the provided information. We select our uploaded files and click Generate. It takes a little time to process, but once complete, it builds a 14-slide presentation. The hand-drawn style gives it a distinctive, creative, but professional feel. Clean typography, well-organized diagrams, and content clearly pulled from our uploaded sources, rather than randomly generated, which is something I always appreciate in an AI tool. What really stands out is the control the settings give you. You don't need heavily detailed prompts. Picking the right options plus a straightforward instruction gets excellent results, since the platform handles the creative heavy lifting behind the scenes. For exports, the menu offers PDF, PowerPoint, and a fully editable PPTX, letting you open it in PowerPoint afterward to refine content, add your own branding, adjust details, and customize everything further. Overall, I see IvyCraft as a strong alternative to NotebookLM, but with a completely different approach. Instead of focusing mainly on research and note-taking, it helps you transform that research into actual content and deliverables. If you're a new user, IvyCraft currently offers free credits when you sign up, giving you a great opportunity to test the platform and explore its features before making any commitment. And if you find it useful, you can always upgrade to one of the Pro plans later. The free credits are more than enough to get a solid first impression and see whether the workflow fits your needs. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've included the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.